Making money from home isn't just a dream anymore. It's something thousands of people across the country are already doing every day. With just a bit of space and the right equipment, anyone can set up small but powerful machines that turn ideas into income. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They're real tools that produce real products while keeping costs low. Thousands of people are already turning small home setups into real income streams. You could be next. If you've been thinking about starting a small business from your garage, basement, or even a spare room, this video will give you some great options to start with. Today, we're talking about 12 different machines you can buy, run, and make money with right from home. Each one is simple to use, budget-friendly, and capable of generating steady income. Stick around until the end to see which one fits your goals best. And if you want links or full details on where to get these machines, just comment, "I'm ready," and I'll share the complete list with you. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. All videos, discussions, and demonstrations about business machines, investments, or related topics are not financial advice. Number 12. Bubble machine. A bubble machine might look like a fun party gadget, but it can also be a smart way to earn money. These compact devices are perfect for creating streams of shiny bubbles that instantly make any event more exciting. All you need to do is pour in the bubble solution, switch it on, and the machine takes care of the rest. It's simple, reliable, and requires almost no maintenance. People love renting bubble machines for birthday parties, weddings, school events, and outdoor festivals. With prices starting around $200 and going up to $700, your investment can pay off quickly. Many users recover their cost after just 1 or 2 rentals. You can offer it as a standalone service or as an add-on to event decoration or entertainment packages. It's a small, joyful machine that can turn fun into steady extra income while putting smiles on people's faces. Number 11. Roofing machine. A roofing machine is a powerful business tool for those who have a bit more space and want to handle larger projects. This machine shapes flat sheets of metal into custom roofing panels used for homes, sheds, or barns. The process is precise, giving builders exactly what they need without waiting on factory orders. Demand for durable metal roofing keeps growing, which makes this an excellent opportunity for local production. Smaller roll-forming models usually cost between $5,000 and $9,000, and while that's a bigger investment, the profit potential is just as strong. Once set up, you can supply local contractors, hardware stores, or DIY builders who need panels cut to size. You can even offer on-site delivery or mobile panel forming for extra convenience. With consistent demand and large project margins, this machine can quickly become the backbone of a profitable small business. If you are enjoying our ideas, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. We're aiming to reach 5,000 subscribers, and your support means everything to us. Let's back to the video. Number 10. Vacuum casting machine. A vacuum casting machine is ideal for anyone interested in making custom jewelry, small parts, or resin crafts. It works by melting the material, pouring it into a mold, and using a vacuum to pull the liquid through every corner, removing air bubbles. The result is a smooth, solid, professional quality piece every time. Entry-level vacuum casting machines are more affordable than ever, usually costing between $300 and $600. With one of these, you could start a custom jewelry business, create miniature models, or even offer casting services to others. Because of its precision and clean finish, the products you make can sell for a great profit. The machine itself doesn't take much space and is easy to maintain. Whether you're crafting for fun or planning to turn it into a business, this is a simple, low-cost way to produce high-value handmade items from home. Number 9. Commercial donut machine. A commercial donut machine makes it possible to produce delicious, golden donuts quickly and consistently, even in a small kitchen or home setup. The machine automatically drops rings of batter into hot oil, fries them evenly, and they come out ready to glaze or sugar coat. or fill compact and efficient models usually cost between $500 and $800, which is surprisingly affordable for a food business starter. You can make dozens of donuts per hour and sell them at farmers markets, school events, or local fairs. People love fresh donuts, and with low ingredient costs, your profit margins can be impressive. Plus, the aroma of fresh donuts practically sells itself. The cleanup process is simple, and the machine is built for everyday use. If you're looking for a fun, low-risk business with quick returns, this machine can turn a love for sweets into real, daily income. Some of these machines cost less than a weekend getaway, but can bring in steady income month after month. Number 8. Jewelry. Drum polishing machine. A jewelry drum polishing machine is one of the easiest tools to start a small business or side hustle from home. It gives jewelry and gemstones that professional shine that buyers love. The process is simple. Place your items inside the barrel with polishing grit, and the tumbler gently rotates to smooth and polish each piece. These machines are compact, quiet, and affordable, usually priced between $70 and $150. You can use them to polish handmade jewelry, gemstones, or small metal crafts. Many crafters use it to add value to their products, making them look more refined and ready for sale. You could also offer polishing services for others who make jewelry but don't have their own tools. The low startup cost and minimal effort make this one of the most cost-effective ways to earn extra income while turning simple pieces into sparkling, professional quality products. Number 7. Pressure washing machine. Pressure washing machine is one of the simplest and most reliable ways to start earning money fast. This machine uses high-pressure water to clean driveways, sidewalks, walls, and roofs, making old surfaces look brand new again. Homeowners and businesses always need this kind of cleaning, so there's steady demand year-round. Getting started doesn't require much, just a pressure washer, a few cleaning supplies, and some basic training. Entry-level machines are affordable, and you can begin working for your neighbors or local businesses almost immediately. Many people who started with just one machine grew their side hustle into a full-time business. The best part is the profit margin, since the main expense is water and a bit of detergent. Once customers see the results, they often book repeat cleanings. This is a dependable, practical way to turn simple cleaning work into consistent local income. If you're still watching, you're probably serious about starting something of your own, so keep going. The next idea might be the one that fits you best. Number 6. Dry ice making machine. A dry ice making machine is surprisingly useful and can become a steady source of income. It connects to a CO2 tank and compresses the gas into solid dry ice pellets or blocks at the push of a button. The process takes only a few minutes and the results are ready to use right away. Dry ice has many applications, from shipping frozen food and keeping items cold during travel, to creating fog effects at parties or concerts. Machines typically cost between a few $100s up to about $600, making it a very affordable small business investment. Once you have the machine, you can sell dry ice locally to restaurants, catering companies, or event planners. Because dry ice melts quickly, customers prefer buying it locally, which means less competition. With low running costs and consistent demand, this machine can easily turn frozen gas into steady profits. If you're finding these machines interesting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more small business ideas that actually work. Number 5. Ribbon printing machine. Ribbon printing machine is a compact and creative way to make money from home. It prints custom designs, logos, or messages on satin or nylon ribbons using heat and metallic foil. The process is simple, fast, and delivers a polished, professional finish every time. You load the ribbon, insert your design plate, and press the button. Within seconds, you get a shiny, personalized ribbon that's perfect for gift wrapping, event decorations, trophies, or product packaging. These machines are small, easy to operate, and cost between $120 and $150. which makes them a great low-cost startup option. You can sell custom ribbons online, work with event planners or local shops, or even make seasonal products for holidays and special occasions. With minimal expenses and creative flexibility, this machine offers a fun and reliable way to earn consistent profits from home. Number 4. Manual Edge Banding Machine. Manual edge banding machine is perfect for anyone working with wood or plywood furniture. It gives unfinished furniture a smooth, professional look by applying a strip of veneer or tape along the edges using heat and glue. The result is clean, sealed edges that instantly improve the product's quality. Small woodworking shops, DIY builders, and furniture makers often need this service but don't have their own machine. Portable models usually cost between $500 and $900, making them an affordable choice for home workshops. With one of these machines, you can start offering edge finishing services, or use it to upgrade your own furniture and sell pieces for higher prices. Customers appreciate furniture that looks polished and complete, so the profit potential is strong. This is a great addition for anyone who wants to turn woodworking skills into a professional and profitable small business. Number 3. Ice Cream Machine. An ice cream machine is a timeless moneymaker because everyone loves a cold treat. These machines turn simple ingredients into soft serve or scoop-style ice cream within minutes. They're compact, easy to use, and perfect for setting up at home, small stands, or local events. Commercial models start around $700 and can go up to $4,500 depending on size and features. Once you have one, you can sell ice cream at weddings, markets, school fairs, or even through your own mobile cart. Cleanup is quick, and the process is simple enough for daily use. The profit margin on ice cream is excellent because the ingredients are inexpensive while customer demand is constant, especially in warmer months. Whether you're serving families, party planners, or local shops, this machine makes it easy to turn a popular favorite into steady and reliable income. From creative crafts to powerful tools, each of these machines can help you build a business that runs right from your home. Number 2. Desktop Injection Molding Machine. Desktop Injection Molding Machine gives you the power to create real, usable plastic products right from your home or workshop. It works by melting plastic pellets, injecting the liquid into a mold, and producing strong, detailed parts in just minutes. For years, only large factories could do this. But now, compact models make it possible for small creators and entrepreneurs. Entry-level machines start under $7,000, making small-scale manufacturing achievable for individuals. You can make keychains, phone cases, clips, or replacement parts for local businesses, or even offer custom molding services for others. This machine offers incredible production flexibility with professional results. Once your molds are made, the profit margin is high because the raw materials are inexpensive. If you want to create your own products or start a small local manufacturing business, this is one of the most powerful and practical tools available today. Number 1. Remote Service Business. While not a physical machine, a remote service business is one of the smartest ways to make money from home. Instead of doing the labor yourself, you focus on generating leads for local service providers such as pressure washers, roofers, HVAC technicians, or junk removal companies. All you need is a simple website or online ads that bring in calls from customers. When someone requests a job, you pass the lead to a contractor who pays you either a flat fee or a percentage of the project. This model works because most local contractors are skilled at their trade but not at marketing, and they're happy to pay for quality leads. Startup costs are extremely low, and the process is fully home-based. Once your system is running, the income is recurring and scalable, making it a powerful way to build a profitable digital business from home. These were some of the best home business machines that can help you start earning from home with very little space and investment. Each one offers a unique way to create real products, serve real customers, and generate steady profits. Whether you prefer hands-on projects like jewelry making or food sales, or practical services like cleaning or custom production, there's a machine that fits your style and budget. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and let your work build over time. If one of these ideas caught your attention, take the next step today. Comment, "Send me the link," below, and I'll share the full list of machines, along with trusted places where you can buy them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss more videos filled with real ways to earn from home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.